Trendy Veja Campo sneakers go right up to size 47 EU in some colours. That's around a woman's size 15 US or 13 UK. Get an up-close look at them and find out how they're holding up after 2 months' wear. First up, they look really cute. This white Patel colourway goes up to a generous size 43. They're a creamy off-white pebble leather which looks so pretty with the pastel pink. There's Veja branding in silver and on the back heel, and the overall look is très chic. Campos are unisex with a classic tennis shoe shape. They should suit medium to wide widths. Veja is a French brand, so they use Euro sizing. They run large, so you may need to go down a size. I'm normally a 43, but these are a 42. Heads up, Campos come unlaced, and lacing them is a pain because the laces are thick and the holes are tiny. Lots of tiny bits of the padding come away as you lace them, but it's a one-time thing and repeat lacing is easier. Another thing to be aware of is the long tongue. This might dig in if you wear them barefoot. I wear mine with socks and never notice it. The tongue is lightly padded too, which feels nice. There's also lots of padding around the heel. I've sensitive feet which blister easily, but these needed no breaking in at all. Another plus is the removable insoles, in case you want to replace them. Even the sole has a pretty pattern, but it feels very flat and hard under your foot when you walk outside, similar to a skate shoe. It's not uncomfortable, but it feels odd. They don't feel at all springy like running shoes or Skechers. This hard sole feeling does fade after a couple of weeks' wear though. They look great with both jeans and dresses, and I get lots of wear out of mine. After walking about 3 miles, my feet do start to tire though, so I wouldn't recommend them if you're on your feet all day. So here's how my Veja Campos look after 2 months of regular wear. I've walked about 10 miles a week on average in them, and they're holding up really well. The leather quickly creased around the front, but that's how natural leather wears. The sides with the pink V motif still look brand new. The Veja heel tab is fairly creased now too, and the back of the heel has started to wear down. There's also a couple of stubborn grey marks on the rubber near the back that didn't wipe off, but they don't bother me. There's some very slight wear at the toe end of the sole, but the sole is wearing very well overall, with the full pattern still intact. There's no signs of wear inside the shoes yet, other than darkening around the heel, possibly from my socks. When I removed the laces after 2 months, the laces and tongue were a bit grubby, and dirt had got in around the bottom of the tongue. But most of these old marks still wiped off easily with a damp cloth, which surprised me. So these are low maintenance, especially for white sneakers. A quick wipe every so often and you're good to go. Overall, I'm very pleased with my Campos 2 months on. They're comfy for fashion sneakers and I love the look of them. For a more detailed review, check out my blog linked below. I'll keep that post updated with more pics and info as they wear. Thanks for watching.